Hi from Lonnie Talk. Today's video is a bit different than what I'm used to making. It's going to be more of a vlog style video. I'm going to be sharing with you things that I do with my kids or just things overall that I have been doing in the past few weeks. And I would like to share some ideas or tips considering that I'm a mom but also a daycare provider that you can do with your kids and include them in everyday activities. Yes, of course I can help you. All right, go sit down. Go in. Go in. I'll help you. You can go. Ready, set, go! You like it? It's important to give your children the possibilities of trying new things on their own. However, as you will see, she's always turning around to make sure that I'm there. I'm right behind her. You're close enough. But her independence is very important. Let kids try new things on their own. Just make sure you're close enough. Don't hold back. Be silly with your kids. They love it. You got it. You can do it all by yourself. Oh yes. Take your time. You're so dizzy. What do you mean? Oh wow, yes. Awesome. Look at a telescope. Look at this telescope. Cool. T is for telescope. Good. Nice. I love it. Okay. You can see the people down, yes. All right, we're gonna go together. Yay! Okay, baby, thank you for showing me. I'm gonna be down here when you come down. Show mommy how to slide down. Come and show me. At the beginning, she was very hesitant to do certain things, but as you can see, she started letting loose and she even went all the way up by herself as I waited for her down here. It's good to make them aware of new things or things around their surroundings that they have missed, but don't get pushy. Don't have them do things that you want to do or just because you're tired of seeing them do things over and over, because children learn with repetition. The more they do something, the more they have hands-on to do things, that's how they learn. This was fun. It was great, as you will see, this whole spinning thing, but she didn't like it. She didn't want to do it, and that's perfectly fine. Let your kids take control and do things on their own and just follow with them. She's 3 and this was her first time using training scissors and she did absolutely amazing. I see, you're almost finished. Not sure what the end goal is.
Almost.
Almost? Okay, baby.
Look, I have another one. I put it all in there.
You remembered you had another piece? The Super Bowl halftime was amazing, by the way. If you didn't get to see it, go check it out. It was so great. I noticed that mainly it was awesome for adults or like older generation because it just had so many references to the way things were growing up. This year's halftime performers were amazing. This would definitely be an epic year to remember. If you haven't done so already, go check out my video on what I put in my toddler's bags. I have lots of ideas for essentials and extras that you can put inside the bags. If you are enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for future notifications. A recommendation for a learning video that you can use with your younger children is Leapfrog. It's a series of videos for learning sounds of letters, then learning how to put them together and create words, and following along to complex sounds and words. Come along as I make breakfast for my toddler and some coffee, of course, and milk for me. You know how hard it can get to make breakfast in the morning or get anything done. So prepping things the night before is so helpful. I put some radish and some cucumbers into cold water with a splash of salt and let it sit there overnight. Then I have some potato cheese and some craisins. I have some scrambled eggs that I just made, and you will see how I put it all together to make an awesome breakfast. This is a great way to give variety, to introduce new foods, and also to cover a little bit of all the different food groups. We have dairy, we have a meat alternative, we have some fruits and vegetables, we have some grains, so it's just delicious and fulfilling. And this is how it went. So she ate pretty good. Here's an idea of a snack that I give her, and that's some water. I give her water with all the meals that she has. I also made sure that I put this snack inside the fridge, so you don't even have to do it the same day. You could do it the day before, just like I did vegetables. So here we have some goldfish and some green grapes. For lunch, I'm giving her some white rice, ground beef, and some of the cucumbers and radishes that I had in water from the night before. Quick tip, radishes have a very strong taste, so in order to prevent the taste from being so strong, just cut them really thin, like the ones on the bottom here. I absolutely love this, that I got it from Amazon. It's reusable stickers, and it brings us a pad where it has like a habitat and you can put the stickers on them. The kids love them so much, and it's so easy for them to do it on their own. Nice! Watercolor stickers for your wall. Look, they can match with this, your artwork. That's cute. And now Camila's putting some watercolor stickers. Ooh, nice. You can pick different colors. Cute. They're so easy to put. She's putting them by herself. One little bubble thing here, but other than that, there, that's it. Done. Perfecto. Mira, look at all the other colors that she has. Oh no, you're stepping on it. Excuse me. Matches your socks. Look at that. So cute. All these colors. Just for you, baby. And your sister too. Look, we have to put more here. And some that can match your sister's artwork. These are really cute. Look at that. How easy it is to put them. And I keep her entertained for a few minutes. Nice. Yes, are you excited that you fixed your space? Yes, that you fixed your little space in your room where your bed is? Whoa. No, you can't take it off, maybe. I mean, you could, but let's just leave it there so it could look pretty. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo, look how cute. Go Nana, go Nana, go Nana. All right, the last piece, full line. Ven, put the last one. Good, good. Ooh, watch it. All right, vamos a cerrar la puerta. Al pasito. Close it. Close the door. You can close it a little bit harder, Camila. It's okay. Okay, good job. Here you go. Here's the card. This one, look, wait, this one over here on the bottom. Young children absolutely love to help in everything that has to do with household chores, washing dishes, clothes, everything. So allow them the opportunity to help out as safe and best that you can. The wrong one. Here you go, this one. All right, try again. On the other side, the other side. Like this, yeah. Yep. Al pasito. All right, and now put low. Good job. Take the card out. Allowing them to help you is also a great way to teach patience. It's your turn, my turn, so turn taking, patience, confidence, all of that just by having them help you out with everyday things that you do. Thank you. Good job. Yay. Yay. Good job. Remember to always make time for physical activities. Another tip is to create memories and have fun in everything that you do. Your kids will be so much willing to try new things, to do things, to believe in themselves. It's just so much that goes into it. Just having fun. You have no idea how much power having fun has. Mother's Day is every day. There's nothing better than having your mom in your life, especially when she takes care of you at any age that you are, like my mom does. She put everything in bags. She labeled everything with what's inside and with the date so that I know, how long I have to use it. Some things are seasoned, as you saw in the back, and some meats are not seasoned. And it's all by portions of how many servings I will be using. Just the thought and the time that it took her to do all this and clean everything is just amazing. Thank you so much to my mom and to all moms that take care of their kids, no matter how old you are. Also, she left some more food, and this is coffee. I have coffee here for all day today. And this is an awesome thermos, people. I love this thermos. I use it all the time for years. I've given it as gifts to many, many people. This says for coffee only. So, solo para café. My coffee, food, meat for a long time. Everything is clean. She washed the dishes. That just got dirty. She washed the dishes as well. Cleaned up everything for me. Swept, mopped before she went home. Thank you, Mama. Here's another idea. Have your kids help you out, not just throughout the house, but also during cooking time. She loves helping me wash dishes. Either she's washing them, rinsing, drying, the whole works. So when I do something for her to eat real quick, she sits here in the kitchen and helps me clean the carrots or potatoes. And it's a quality time, a bonding time for us. So there's all sorts, again, of ways to learn. And this is just another one. Just wanted to share an amazing surprise gift that I got. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smile and have a wonderful day.